Hello everyone, I'm Ali, and in this video we'll talk about the persuasiveness of audit evidence. After accessing their client's accounting records, the auditor then searches for corroborating evidence to verify that recorded amounts are accurate. In particular, auditor verifies amounts recorded in their client's records using verbal evidence, documentary evidence, confirmations, representations, computational evidence, physical evidence, and electronic evidence. We have talked about these various types of audit evidence in the previous videos. There are three categories of corroborating evidence, and each category varies in its persuasiveness. The first category is evidence generated by clients or internally generated evidence. Externally generated evidence held by the client, and externally generated evidence sent directly to the auditor. Now, I'll discuss these categories in details. Internally generated evidence includes records of checks sent, copies of invoices, and a statement sent to customers, purchase orders, company documentation regarding policies and procedures, contracts, minutes of meeting, entities' accounting books such as journals, ledgers, trial balances, spreadsheets, worksheets, reconciliations and calculation, and also computations. This evidence may be held electronically, or you can say in the form of a soft copy, or even in a paper form or hard copy. Internally generated evidence is least persuasive, as it can be used to verify that a client has accurately converted this information into the financial report. As the client generates and holds this evidence, it is possible that the evidence may be manipulated or omitted. Externally generated evidence held by the client includes supplier invoices and statements, customer orders, bank statements, contracts, lease agreements, and tax agreements. These sources of evidence are quite persuasive as they are produced by third parties. It is, however, possible that the client can manipulate these documents, especially if the client provides the auditor the photocopies of information from these external sources rather than originals. Therefore, the reliability is reduced. Externally generated evidence sent directly to the auditor. This evidence includes bank confirmations, debtors confirmations, and correspondence with clients' lawyers, which includes confirmations and representations and expert valuations. These sources of evidence are considered to be most reliable as they are independent of the client. As these are generated by third parties and sent directly to the auditor, the client does not have an opportunity to alter or change it. Externally generated evidence is considered the most persuasive when the source of that evidence is considered to be reliable, trustworthy, and independent of the client. Thank you very much, and in the next video we'll talk about evidence gathering procedures.